Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on the S&P 500. Since the last market update, the outlook remains bearish on the daily Ichimoku cloud. Since price action is below the cloud, we were seeing some encouraging signs on the 4-hour as it was slicing through a critical cloud chart resistance zone here at the front end of the cloud. It did not manage to rebound from the 4,520 front cloud chart support level. It sliced through the bottom end. Now it's very close to testing the index close very close to the bottom end of the cloud. The futures are already below this level. We'll look at it in a minute. But these are the downside support targets, and if we look at the cloud chart levels where they come from, 4413, and then there's another support level to watch out for at the bottom end of the cloud here. This is 4350. Now do remember, price action is below the cloud. That confirms the bearish outlook. For the bull market to resume, price action need to be back above the top end of the cloud here. So the outlook it changed back to bearish on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. The hourly is not much better at this stage. We can see we sliced through the bottom and the front end cloud support zone there. That's a critical zone. And now the key levels to watch out for potential rebound is this cluster of support here at the bottom end of the cloud here at 4350, and then this other level 4296. But watch out for these two bottom end cloud chart support levels. So that's where we're at on the index. The outlook is once again bearish on all time frames apart from the weekly. Now if we go and look at the actual futures, we can see, we've dipped below the front end of the cloud here on the 4-hour. So the E-minis there are now, the outlook has changed back to bearish from the changing to bullish when we slice through the top end of the cloud here. So we're not out the woods yet. For this rally to resume on the futures level, we need to be back above the bottom end of the cloud here. So critical for support to come in. Watch out for these levels here. Let me just load a futures chart here. There we go. These levels, 4367 is a critical support zone, and 4391. And if we look at the hourly support zones here on the cloud, we can see that level there is also a 4385 is a level that did not hold, and there's downside risk to the bottom end of the cloud levels here as well. This zone here, we just put a line in there. There we go. So these are the downside risk targets on the hourly Ichimoku cloud. But you can see how we lost support at the front end of the cloud, and then just outlook remained bearish since slicing through that bottom end cloud chart support level. Looking at the 4-hour futures contract, you can see we dipped back below the bottom end of the cloud here. So the outlook's changed from bearish to bullish. Since last week, we had a nice little rally above the top end of the cloud. So there's significant downside risk to these all cloud chart support levels of 4354, 4325, as well as this front bottom end cloud zone. Yeah, this old cloud chart level there. Watch out for that zone there as well, 4335. So the outlook is now once again bearish on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, bearish on the hourly one, and we are looking for potential rebound on these levels. But from a long-term perspective, the outlook is still bearish on the daily, and that remains so. Cash is about the best place to be from a long-term trade perspective, but there are shorter-term swing trades off these rebounds for the shorter-term to medium-term swing trader. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.